Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You know how I find for a friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we all get to fly out, and who's born to fly out.
Is this the yellow button?
Yeah.
We press? I don't think we press it. No, you gotta. Okay, wait, I don't know.
I'm the pilot.
Hi, I'm excited. I'm excited.
Right engineer, prepare that. Hit your flashing button.
You're doing it. I got you.
Better be faster, woman.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Press it. Are you pressing button?
Pilot on the left. Hold your stick to fly right and left. Go back on the stick to fly out. And move forward to fly down. Weapons are on flight. Then pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Pilot, take the jump to light speed.
Oh, activate it! Activate it!
Those heavy tides are protecting the train. Take them out. They lock on to us. Take evasive action.
I got
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is.
I got you!
Cargo free. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's not worse. You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I have the coaxium! You see, just as I promised, my friends, now that the resistance has protected, they can do something for Otto. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white things?
I got it!
Gunners, shoot the train. Keep shooting.
Oh no!
I thought you had it. A gunship. Oh, that's right. You're getting too hot. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Boost! Good night! Let's get out of here!
will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You will know the first order and may enjoy power. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that feels rough.
Great job.
Good job.
Excellent job.
Repairs, good. Okay, I think we did good.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
What?
Oh, fine.
What?
Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a string. Oh, looks like we are ready to go.